Oh, the reactions. So in this video, Chris from New Zealand has sent me over some footage of the new car he's building up. If you remember, we went back last Christmas and I done the lift kit, and then we went out to Woodhill Forest and all that and had some fun out there. And then, unfortunately for him, in the floods they had, not too long after that, the car went pretty much right underwater. Bit sad. He tried to save it, but I think in the end it was just going to be too much. There was too much electrical issues or something, I don't know. But since then he had, so it was his main car and his parts car that went underwater, but he salvaged a lot of things off them. And lucky for him, he had another shell up in the top shed with a turbo motor in there, but no turbo gear. So he ended up buying the turbo motor off the guy, and now he's building that one up. And instead of putting a turbo back on it, he's gone down the path of a supercharger, which is very cool and very different. So yeah, I'll play a few of the clips he sent me. Some of them, the quality, like, it's hard to get good quality from there to here. I don't know how to do it. I'm not a real computer person. But yeah, I'll play some clips. So he's done that, and he's also done like a 2-inch cradle drop in the front so far. I know he's planning to do the back as well. JVM Welding, he's pretty much done a lot of this for him. So yeah, I'll play the clips and let you see what you think.
So yeah, we're back to it again today. Basically we're pumping out more gas and a mixture of water. So we're just going to try it this way. Basically, you know, yeah, the creek's gone down a bit down the back now. You can see definitely doing a good job. Just turn the camera around, we're pumping out more gas again today. We're just underneath my thing now. Yep, pumping all the fucking water out. Sorry for my coarse language, but god damn, man, this is painful enough, you know. But yeah, shit happens. Basically we're all back down to next to the bare bones. We're going to pull all the third row out of what I've said before. We've pulled out probably 2 tanks of water from the dehumidifier alone. And yeah, we'll get into it, tearing this carpet out, tearing out the center console unit, because we probably won't need that where we're going. Needs a new ICC unit, UHF unit, all the, like, I've got to check all the fuses, see if none of them are blown. All the door guards are coming off, all the boots getting stripped out, headliners getting taken out. So basically I've stripped this down and take all the crap to the tip. We're gonna basically part out this thing, or we'll go from there. I don't think we'll part her out. I do have a few tricks up my sleeve. As everyone knows, I had a parts car down in that shed and it was parked behind it, so I've got another trick up my sleeve, and hopefully that's my loan car. Don't laugh at me. I'm waiting for my wagon to get back. This time has come for an update. We ain't doing anything with that one. We're going to pull this bad boy out. Hopefully it should be alright. And we'll get the first drive out of the garage. Dropped the car off down here at the JVM today. We'll see you soon. here. What we've got going on under here. So that's how far down she's going to sit. Got a cradle drop, so we're going to carry on with it. And from there we're looking at doing all sorts of things. We're working on these. Sometimes in the upper arm mounts we're going to be flipping them so they mount the other way. And you can mount the arms a lot lower, so all the suspension will be geometry. It'll be sweet. Even up there. And we'll go from there. A lot of work to be done. Some stuff in there. So there's a lot of work to be done in here. The new radio installed. Here you go, mate. So, I don't know if you can see up there too. Cradle lift has been a success. I've also put, I don't know if you can see that, but I'll just eyeball it.
So I got the blower in position, enough room for the injectors, enough room to clear the tower, and here's the best part. Bonnet shots.
How's it going, guys? So we're down here at JVM getting an update on the Territory build. So we'll go inside and have a look and see what's going on.
Everything's the Terry now.
Mate. Yep. So we're here at JVM. Done all this, we've gotten rid of the little wrinkle thing. I'll show you shortly what we got rid of. You can see if we look down here, subframe cradle drop.
Oh, the reactions.
Alright, so another bit more work on this thing. I've bolted the fans in. We're going to wire them in shortly. Work on some bumper stuff. The inside needs a hell of a lot of work. All the inside needs to be put back together, and just run the power wires for the gauges and whatnot. A lot of not trash but rubbish already taken care of. Basically today, after we've just done all this stuff, we're going to be cutting the rear bumper. So we're going to get that ready and probably bash all the guards out. We're going to do the best we can with the sort of weather we're having throughout our Christmas period. Yeah, we'll go from there. We're gonna probably take it for a run today, a quick one, just to see how everything else is, and yeah, keep you guys updated on what's going on. This will be done next year, so it's not very far away from being complete. We're gonna hopefully have it complete soon. But yeah, we'll update you very shortly and go from there. Hoping you guys are enjoying the project so far. It's been a hell of a build to get to this point. We're very much enjoying what it has given us, you know, and yeah, we've got a surprise on the way. We've just ordered it. We won't be saying anything just yet, but we've definitely got a surprise on the way that'll help this thing out with a lot of different things. Yeah,